Recording.
All right, good to go? Yep, you're good to go. All right, man, thanks. Wow. It's just easy. Radio rocks. Just moves, man. Holy smokes. Sounds are great. Screen is awesome. Love the ride. Hand controls are a bit different to get used to, for sure, but similar to the Pan America. Seating positions, killer for this Road Glide. I like the bars. It's the first Road Glide that I'm probably not going to change my handlebars on. Spoke with a technician. They do move forward about 27% more movement in the bars in a stock positions. So we might not need to make too many changes. Got a nice feel to them. Power delivery of this 121 is awesome. The adversary foot controls, mirrors, everything. Paint's gorgeous, by the way. So this demo ride, get the ride on your own. Just follow these orange arrows posted. Gives us a chance to get up onto an interstate pretty soon. Heated grip controls are now on the end of the bars. Alcantara seats, super nice. A nice feel to it. Put it in road mode, see how that suspension changes. Good thing is, Wisconsin roads are just like New York roads. Shifting's nice and smooth. Brakes are nice and responsive. Man, overall, this thing nailed it. Right out of the park. I like those vents. Glove boxes are pretty slick. They actually push to touch. Latchable. Quite a bit more room. My phone stashed in that one. Rockford Fosgate tunes are pretty solid. Little vents, get some extra air in. Those are pretty nice. Here we go. Man, it just picks up and goes. Fourth gear into fifth gear. Man, this thing rocks. Nice and smooth on this highway. Oh, I like that bend. There it is, Pilgrim Road powertrain. Event next right, factory tours, demo ride. Man, this is a blast. Man, what a difference in that sport mode. Very similar to that Pan America, just instant torque, lots of power. Can't wait to get these in the hands of some great folks, because it's going to be rocking. It's an awesome machine. It was awesome, man. That's crazy.